Hey there, I'm Christina with LL Digital, and as promised, I have a free customized video on how you can rank higher in Google and get way more customers. So, I am super excited to share this with you, and I hope that you find this video very helpful and valuable. So, let's go ahead and get right into it. I have 3 tips on how you can rank higher in Google and grow your business way bigger. So, the 3 things that I have are content, citations, and backlinks. So looking through your website, looks nice by the way. Um, Looking through your website, I see that you have about, uh, I'll say about 300 to 400 words on your home page. So Google ideally likes to see at least 1,500 words on your page, and content is everything that you saw me highlight there. It's the words, it's the pictures, and it's also words behind the pictures. So like I said, Google likes to see at least 1,500 words on your page, and on the back pages, your services pages, the Google likes to see at least 500 to 750 words on your page. Google loves content. Content is king when it comes to ranking websites. So we'd like to get more content on your page, and also not just any content, but keyword rich content. So keywords are basically what the prospective clients are looking for when they are putting their search in the search engines, and they're looking for your services. So that is what I have for you when it comes to content. There's another thing, and we're going to look at how this picture is saved. Quality roofing and clay. That's actually really good. So the way that your pictures are saved are good. Good job. You would ideally like to save your pictures as keywords. So that is great. Now that we're done with the content portion, let's take a look at the citations. So I have Raleigh NC roofing as the keyword term. And this is the search page, as we've all seen before. But before we get into it, I want to give you a few tips on the paid ad section. So with the paid ads, um, there are certain businesses that utilize paid ads as the only thing that is bringing in customers to their website. And paid ads are good to have, but they are good to have as supplemental. So as using them as the whole of a marketing plan is not ideal, because there are a lot of people that have they have ad blockers installed in their web browsers, so they do not see it at all. And then there's a lot of people that just scroll past the ads because that's just something that a lot of people do. They just kind of avoid the advertisements altogether. So that's just a few tips on paid ads that a lot of companies do not know. But anyways, let's move past that. Let's go to the map section. So the map section brings us to our second portion, and that is citations. So what is a citation? A citation is name, address, and phone number of a business. That is a citation. So this section is great to be at the top, because as you know, when you are, looking for a service or, a product for a store, you usually click on, the first ones you see. So it's good to be at the top, because the likelihood of getting prospective customers this way is high. So to get to the top of this list, you would have to increase your citations, and to beat your competition, you would have to get their citations and then more to beat them. So doing that, you would have to put your citations in different directories around the web. In a good website that you can look at citations is called White Spark, and you can look that up. So you would get what your competitions is getting with, is the competition directories, what they're getting, and then you'll get more to beat them. So that's a good way that you can rank higher in the map section, and that would definitely be beneficial for your business. Okay, so next we're going to look at the organic search section. So in the organic search section, as you can see here, we have several companies, on the first page, and these companies are getting a lot of business just by being on the first page of Google. They're getting most of their business. And so being on the first page of Google is what you want to aim for and what you want for it to be your goal, because you would be missing out on a lot of business by not being on the first page of Google. And I'll show you a little bit of insight into that. But that leads us to our third portion, which is backlinks. So this is your backlink profile. I have a handy tool called Ahrefs that I use, and it's very helpful to rank higher on Google. It's Ahrefs is very good to have so that you can see where you're at when it comes to your backlinks and your websites. So as you can see here, you have about 92 backlinks and 39 referring domains. And backlinks are just links to other websites. Websites that have a higher authority is good quality, but it's not just about the quantity. Like I said, it's about the quality of backlinks. So getting what your competition's backlinks are and more is how you would beat them. Now I want to show you the backlink profile of your top competitor in Raleigh Roofing. And just to give you some perspective, they have 911 referring domains and 16.7 thousand backlinks. And as you can see, they're getting 6.7 thousand clicks to their website just with organic search. So this is how they're getting on the first page of Google through different strategies. And as you can see, they're getting a lot of traffic that way. So let's take a look at what they are ranking for, but we're also going to compare what you're ranking for. So this is what you're ranking for. This is what your keyword terms are on Google search. And as you can see, you have, you have Raleigh, roofers in Raleigh. Okay, here we go. Roofers in Raleigh, 30 people. This is the amount of people approximately that search this exact keyword term in Google. And because you are in the 19th place, you're not getting any traffic to your website from this keyword term. Raleigh NC Roofer, same, no traffic from that keyword term, and that is definitely potential clients that you could be getting. Residential roofing, same. Roofing contractors, same. Roof repairs, 100 people that are searching for that every month, and you're getting 0 of that. And the list goes on. Raleigh Roofer is 300 people that search for that. You're not getting any of it. And I'm going to show you what the competition is getting with these keyword terms, these same keyword terms. This is Baker Roofing. And as you can see, they are on the first page of Google when it comes to a lot of keyword terms for Raleigh roofers. And as you can see here, Raleigh Roofer, 300 people are searching every month, and they're getting 45, around 45 of that every month from potential clients. Roofing companies in Raleigh, 300 people search for that approximately every month. They're getting 42 clicks from that. Roofing Raleigh, same. They're getting almost half of that, of those search results. Commercial roof replacement, they're getting a lot of that. And basically roofers in Raleigh, the same, 90 here. And because they're on the first page of Google, and as you can see, they're in the first position, they're getting a lot of traffic to their site based off of these keyword terms. So as you can see, they are they're really benefiting from their organic search results, and you could too by utilizing these tips. And it can really bring in a lot of business, because as you can see, organically they're bringing in a great amount of business, and this is what you could be getting as well. So I wanted you to see your potential and some tips on how to get there and start that journey. And if you want to utilize these tips, please let me know how it goes, and if I brought value to your company. Also, if you want someone else to do it for you, and someone that can execute it perfectly, please don't hesitate to give me a call and let me know, or send me a text or message, and I can definitely help you with that. Our company has a lot of experience with that, and we would be happy to help you grow your business bigger. So that's all I wanted to show you today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. All right, thank you.